Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add image and pictures in Clipchamp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to do this, it is really simple and you have got two methods to do so. So first of all, you need to open your Clipchamp, and once you have opened it, you need to now simply select a project. So once you have selected a project, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now simply click on the Your Media button to import images directly from your computer. And if you don't have the image on your computer, you can try alternative way on clicking the drop down arrow to import media from your files. Once you have done this, you will find an option called OneDrive, Google Drive, or Dropbox. So in Clipchamp, for work, you can simply add medias from your OneDrive and your computer as well. So there are two methods, so you can simply select anything that is visible to you. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.